Welcome student to Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Bhayandar East. Subject Applied Mathematics. Myself Mrs. Smita Shekhar Kamble. Today's lecture is on chapter number 9 for mechanical engineer student only, that is probability distribution. The probability that an electric bulb to defective from the manufacturing unit is 0.02 in a box of 200 electric bulbs. Find the probability that exactly 4 bulbs are defective, more than 3 bulbs are defective. Let P denote the probability of one bulb to defective. P is equal to 0.02 already given, n is equal to 200. Lambda n into P 200 into 0.02 is exactly 4. X denote the number of defective bulbs. P in bracket x equal to 4 e raised to minus 4 raised to 4 upon 4 factorial. P in bracket x equal to x e raised to minus lambda raised to x upon x factorial. We have to put instead of x is e raised to minus 4, that is the consulting, that is the lambda, we have to consult as its input value. Probability of 4 bulbs is 0.1952, but p greater than 3, x is greater than 3. Why? Because we have to find more than 3 bulbs are defective. That's why 1 minus p in bracket x equal to 0 plus p in bracket x equal to 1 plus p in bracket x equal to 2 plus p in bracket x equal to 3. We have to put the of small x is 4, 1, 2 and 3. So we define in this way: 1 minus e raised to minus 4, 4 raised to 0 upon 0 factorial plus e raised to minus 4, 4 raised to 1 upon 1 factorial, e raised to minus 4, 4 raised to 2 upon 2 factorial, e raised to minus 4, 4 raised to 3 upon 3 factorial. 1 minus e raised to minus 4 is the common. 1, 0 factorial is 1, 1 factorial is 1, 2 factorial is 2 and 3 factorial is 6. We have to put the value 1 plus 4, 16 upon 2, 64 upon 6. Simplify 142 upon 6. 1 minus e raised to minus 4 is 0.0183. 142 upon 6, 23.67. 23.67, 0.0183 multiplication 0.4332. 1 minus 0.4332 is 0.5668. Therefore, probability more than 3 bulbs are 0.5668. We have to consider within a Poisson distribution there. On an average, 2% of the population in area from the TB, where is the probability that 5% chosen at random from that area, at least 2 suffer from the TB. So n is equal to 5, p is equal to 2%, 2 upon 100 is 0.02, n is equal to n into p, m is equal to 5 into 0.02, 0.1, p in bracket r is equal to e raised to minus m, m raised to r upon r factorial. We have to find at least 2, 1 minus p of 0 plus p of 1, 1 minus e raised to 0.1, 0.1 raised to 0 upon 0 factorial, e raised to minus 0.1, 0.1 raised to 1 upon 1 factorial, where m is equal to 0.1. So final answer 0.047 is the final answer, that the probability out of 5% chosen random from this area, at least 2 suffers from the TB. The number of road accident made with the by a taxi driver follow Poisson distribution with mean 2 out of 500, no, 5000 taxi in the city. Find the number of drivers who does not meet an accident, who met with an accident more than 3 times. Given e raised to minus 2, 0.1353. N is equal to, capital N is 5000, m is equal to 2, p of r is equal to e raised to minus m, m raised to r upon r factorial. R we have to put 0, p of 0 is equal to e raised to minus 2 into 2 raised to 0 upon 0 factorial. We derive p of 0 is 0.1353. Number of taxi driver n into p, 5000 into 0.1353, 676.6.5 is approximately goes to 677. More than 3 means 1 minus e raised to more than 3 means p in bracket x equal to 0, p in bracket x equal to 1, p in bracket x equal to 2, p in bracket x equal to 3. So 1 minus e raised to minus 2 upon 2 raised to 0 upon 0 factorial, e raised to minus 2 into 2 raised to 1 1 upon 1 factorial, e raised to minus 2 upon 2 raised to 2 upon 2 factorial, e raised to minus 2 2 raised to 3 upon 3 factorial. Final answer 0.1429. Number of taxi driver n into p, 5000 into 0.1429, 714.5. It is exactly and approximately we have to consult as a 715. Fit a Poisson distribution. The following observation, these ask for 4 marks question. Xi 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Fi 8, 12, 30, 10, 6, 4. M is equal to summation Fi Xi summation Fi to 20 into 8 plus 30 into 12 plus 40 into 30, 50 into 10, 60 into 6, 70 into 4. Number of elements, that is total summation of Fi 8 plus 12 plus 30 plus 10 plus 6 plus 4. We derive 2860 upon 70. M is equal to 40.85. We have to know the Poisson distribution formula. P in bracket x equal to r is equal to e raised to minus m, m raised to r upon r factorial. P raised in bracket r e raised to minus 40.85, 40.85 raised to r upon r factorial is the fitting of Poisson distribution for the following observation. Now we consult the normal distribution topic. Normal distribution, a continuous distribution like Poisson distribution. The normal distribution is obtained limiting cases of binomial distribution. This is the most important probability model in statistical analysis. Definition: a random variable x is normally distributed with parameter mu called mean and sigma square called variance if its PDF probability density function is given by f of x is equal to 1 upon sigma under square root 2 pi e raised to minus 1 upon 2 x minus mu whole bracket upon sigma whole bracket square. Minus infinity less than x less than infinity, minus infinity less than mu less than infinity, sigma greater than 0. Be consult u mean, sigma square variance, and obviously infinity means that not fixed value. We have to consider pi here 22 upon 7. We have to consult mu is the mean, that is important. Note x is equal to n in bracket mu comma sigma denotes the random variable x follows normal distribution with mean mu and standard deviation sigma. Constant of normal distribution, mean is equal to mu, variance is equal to sigma square, standard deviation is equal to sigma. Difference means same standard deviation, same mean different standard deviation, different means different standard deviation. This concept we have to consult in today. Properties of normal probability curve and normal distribution. Always minus infinity to infinity are the plotting point on the x-axis with real line. X is equal to mu. Mu represent here mean. That's why the normal curve is bell shape. The curve is symmetrical about x is equal to mu. Mean is equal to median is equal to mode is equal to mu. The curve contains its maximum value of at x is equal to mu and maximum value is 1 upon sigma under square root 2 pi. The normal curve is asymptotic to the x-axis. The points of the inflection are x is equal to mu plus minus sigma. Since the curve is symmetrical about x is equal to mu, the skewness is 0. A normal distribution is close approximation to the binomial distribution when n is very large and p close to 1 upon 2. That is the probability of distribution have the two choice, that is outcome, and one can be randomly selected. The normal distribution is also limiting from the Poisson distribution when lambda is equal to infinity, where lambda we have to consult with. The probability density function of a standard normal variate z is equal to, it is the psi, we have to consider z is equal to 1 upon under square root 2 pi e raised to minus 1 upon 2 x square minus infinity to less than x, z less than infinity. Now total area, we consult with the application of definite integral. The total area under the normal probability curve is unity, that is lower limit minus infinity, upper limit infinity, f of x dx is equal to minus infinity to infinity, sigma of x z is dz is equal to 1. Minus infinity to 0 point z dx is equal to 0 to infinity psi, that is the psi function dz is equal to 0.5. Since the normal curve is symmetrical about z is equal to 0, second one, lower limit 0, upper limit z1, theta, no, it is phi of x dx is known as normal probability integral, which gives the area under the standard normal curve between the ordinates z equal to 0 and z is equal to z1. In the normal probability distribution, that is the table values, the area are given under the standard normal curve. We shall deal with the standard normal variate z rather than the variable x itself. The z-score is important in this chapter, that is normal distribution. When x is equal to 100, mu is equal to 80, sigma is equal to 10. What is the value of z? Z-score is given by z is equal to x minus mu upon sigma. X is equal to 100, mu is equal to 80, sigma is 10. We derive the value is 2. If x is the normal distribution with mean 80 and standard deviation 10, express in p in bracket 70 less than equal to x less than equal to 100 in the terms of standard normal variate. Given mean is equal to mu is equal to 80, standard sigma is equal to 10. We know that z is equal to x minus mu upon sigma. Z equal to 17. Is it possible? No, x is equal to 17 is given. Z is equal to 70 minus 80 upon 10 minus 1. When x is equal to 100, z is equal to 100 minus 80 upon 10 is 2. So, p greater than 7 in bracket z 70 less than equal to x less than equal to 100 is equal to p in bracket minus 1 less than equal to z less than equal to 2. In this way we have to calculate. If x is the normal variate with the mean 80 and standard deviation 10, compute p x less than equal to 100. Normally, z-score we have to find first. Z is equal to x minus mu upon sigma. X is equal to 100. Z is equal to 100 minus 80 upon 10 is 2. Therefore, p in bracket x less than equal to 100. P in bracket z less than equal to 2. P in bracket infinity, p in bracket 0 less than z and minus infinity less than z less than 0. We know that the 0.5 is infinity for the minus probability for the minus infinity to less than 0 and p 0 less than equal to 2 from the table 0.4772. So we derive 0.9772 is probability x greater than equal to 100. If x is normally distributed with mean 6 and standard deviation 5, find p in bracket 0 less than equal to x less than equal to 8. Mean is equal to mu is equal to 6, standard deviation sigma is equal to 5. We know z is equal to x minus mu upon sigma. X is equal to 0, z equal to 0 minus 6 upon 5 minus 1.2. When x is equal to 8, z is equal to 8 minus 6 upon 5, 2 upon 5, 0.4. P in bracket 0 less than equal to x less than equal to 8 is equal to p in bracket minus 1.2 less than equal to z less than equal to 0.4. P in bracket minus 1 by 2 less than equal to z less than equal to 0 plus p in bracket 0 less than equal to z less than equal to 0.4. P in bracket 0 less than equal to z less than equal to 1.2 plus p in bracket less than equal to z less than equal to 0.4. The curve is symmetric. 0.3849 plus 0.1554 from the table is given. 0.5403 is p less than equal to x less than equal to 8. By this diagrammatically we have to prove. So in this way the mean of score of 1000 student in the examination is 36 and standard deviation is 16. If the score of student is normally distribution, how many students are accepted the score more than 60 marks? So this lecture we have to continue about this topic. Lecture is over.